me once, fool me twice. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. You could get replaced, ayy.
Ooh, my hair looking wow. It popped right back up. But anyways, good morning or good afternoon. We are currently at this place, Water Park. I don't know the name of it. Got Samir with me, got Sanaji with me. About to head in. We meet my sister here with her, my niece and my nephew. And hopefully we have some fun. I'm not sure how much footage we gonna get because it's a water park and I ain't trying to get my camera wet or nothing else wet besides my body. Alright, so see y'all in here. Hopefully get some footage. Alright. That's very small.
And quit touching.
It's a break song.
The waves are off.
It's me not knowing how to zoom this thing in. Hold on.
I like the microphone.
That's a wind thing. That's what I thought. I said whatever it is cute.
So what does it do?
For like when the wind blowing and stuff. Don't you know how you hear that? We about to go up in here, y'all. It's the last set of waves for the day. And then they about to close. So yeah, they about to go. So then I'm gone up in here. Let's see, there's some here right there. I don't know where Sanaja at. They gone. He gets a boom boom. I gotta get out of here. Cause this thing will wet this cam. I don't know where Sanaja at. Say hey, Samir.
Hi. What?
Say hey to the vlog. There go my niece. I don't know where my nephew and my son.
It's freaking cold out here.
Where he is. Don't go past this way, cause I'm not in too much, cause I'm with my camera.
Okay.
No, where's Sanaja yet? What he's talking about? But he about to miss the last set of waves. Where did Terry go? Jackie over there. She way over there.
I don't know why I'm cold. I wanted to play tag. Jackie's not coming.
I don't know, can you see me?
I'm gonna ask.
Huh?
I'm gonna ask if Auntie Jackie's coming.
Here they come. Huh?
I can't go.
No. You should be able to at least go where that girl at in the white, or no? Oh, here come them Good morning, you guys. Today is, what is today?
Friday.
Today is Friday. I'm currently about to eat my breakfast. Just made some eggs and some French toast. Just wanted to come on here and introduce you guys. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you make sure you hit the like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You already know it's me, the bougie brat. About to get this day started. So I'm gonna see y'all up in a minute because I'm hungry and I'm about to eat. We're currently at my mom's right now. I got a load. About to take it over to her new place. This woman is one loco because she running late. Here she come, y'all. What you press 1 for? We not going to man first, is we?
Yes.
Where's she at?
We can just she's putting stuff in the bathroom.
Can
we go?
No, we gotta wait for her.
Oops. Come on.
They didn't went playing. They left us.
Why would you do that, Sophia? Why do you find out what you do? You videotape?
Yeah.
Don't videotape me. Because I might say something that's not nice.
The views will go up.
I want one of them cameras on there. Get on, Sophia.
We left
Sophia, that child, though.
I did not. Let me see that.
That means the highest top floor.
That was smart. They got cameras up in here.
They got cameras.
Did they have them in the garage?
I didn't say so.
Yeah, they did.
They did. You seen them, no.
We the first guest she having over.
Oh, yeah.
Did I do the alarm?
Huh?
Did I do the alarm?
No. Why would you do that?
Because you did it.
I didn't do that. Push yours in. Wow.
I was gonna unload that. Not bring it onto your floor.
Oh, okay. I done brought this on my floor. Okay, go
You
ahead.
want this on the floor?
No, you can unload it. Unload it. That's mine.
Let me come in first. Let me see. Oh, it's spacious.
Yeah.
She's right.
Not to me.
This is okay. Come here. This is nice. Don't you go out that window.
It can't.
It's open. Oh. That's nice.
But
Whole closet.
I didn't see. What's the?
This is nice.
Oh, you got the bathroom.
What's this door right here?
That's for the maintenance to get in.
Oh, the furnace. Oh.
Yeah,
We can show y'all out there.
Yeah.
Sophia, she trying. You can look in on your seniors.
Let me see.
That must be the other bathroom.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, I think they have grandma's shoes. Mom, they have grandma's shoes.
This her place. She been here already.
I didn't know.
I left her stuff, but she right there. But I left it.
You left her stuff?
I left it, but she fully capable of getting her own purse.
Tell her she done left her purses out there.
My purse can stay. Ain't nothing.
Oh, we cannot.
The money you got. I forgot her money. But other than that, I don't have nothing.
The shower's good.
That's for the maintenance.
The shower's nice.
You know
And
it
then
is.
it's-
This shower room is. Shower right here.
it's not- So much stuff, y'all. Look at all this stuff. Look at all of this. And this a big truck. She got her couch, y'all, half of it. Where the recliner going?
Right here.
Oh, okay, yeah. Very nice, girl. What time is it, y'all? It is 4:12, and they just now getting over here with the first load. Hey, you guys, today is Monday. We are currently about to go into this gymnastic place. I didn't really vlog nothing today, y'all. I just got done making some tacos. I'm gonna insert that footage after this. Then we gonna jump back into the gymnastic footage that we about to record right now.
Yeah, what's up with it? Do it cause I love it and I stuck with it. We ain't with the subbing in the cut with it. Please none of the talks, I heard enough of it. Like, what you gon' do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really bout this, don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips, don't talk about it. Real eyes, all the time. Stand on it, if we said it, we don't walk around it. Loose lips, sink ships, red cup, blue strips, new phone, who this? No, we don't allow it. Really on go, I don't know what's an off day. Now we on road, came from smoking in the hallway. Now we got shows, boys feeling like Broadway. Always look both ways, even on a crossway. Driving down Cross Bay, out town Barclays. Really on big things, came up a small way. Championship rings, baby, that's a ball game. Oh, she want a little bag, baby, that's small change. Yeah, that money talk. If we ain't cool, then cut me off. No breaking news, don't run your mouth. Thought it was the plug, now he running off. Thought it was a plug, now he running off. What you gon' do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really bout this, don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips, don't talk about it. Real eyes, all the time. Stand on it, if we said it, we don't walk around it. Loose lips, sink ships, red cup, blue strips, new phone, who this? No, we don't allow it. Whoa. Don't do that, we the best coming out of BK, I thought you knew that. Step up in the function, all these women like who that? Got me looking like money, yeah, they love me, yeah, true that.
We made it out of the gymnastics. We just came out of this Family Dollar, if y'all can see it. Yeah. How you think you don't like a gymnastics? Samir want to sign up. You want to sign up at that location? Yeah. So I'm going to go home and sign them up. Probably he'll start in September. So they'll be up in
September.
She said they're closed the second week of the last week of August they're closed. It's already the middle of August, y'all. But yeah, pretty cool people up in there. Nice place. It's very clean and organized. It's nice in there. I didn't really vlog up in there because the people was right there. And I mean, I could have, but I didn't want to vlog other people's kids up in there, you know, doing the gymnastics because they had class going on. Sunday, I just left UPS picking up my packages from Amazon. Today we did the move, as you guys probably seen that footage already. I wanted to check in with y'all about that. We started at 10 a.m. I got to my mom's house about like, what, 9:50 something. I left at 8:30ish, almost 9 o'clock. The movers did not leave. The movers did not leave her house until 1:30 in the morning. And they still did not move everything in the house. So, yeah, I don't know how that's going to play out with the rest of that stuff. But then what I'm about to figure out. What we doing now? Oh, we at Trader Joe's. And, yeah, I have never grocery shopped at Trader Joe's. So, we about to see how this goes. Let's go on and head in. Get the car. Back from Trader Joe's. I didn't record up in there and go. That Trader Joe's small. That Trader Joe's was small. And I don't know, people was in my way. I ain't had time, but I ain't record. But I wanted to show y'all what we had got from Trader Joe's. I got 2 of these bags. And I hope this tracking me so. I went and grabbed some tomatoes. And I got the packages. And I still have to open the packages. I spent $54.60 at Trader Joe's. Got some bell peppers. I got this and what's those? Bell peppers. Cheese. Eggs. Rice. More cheese. Lemonade. Hamburger meat. Put this in the freezer. Bananas. Applesauce. Oh, I forgot I got these and I just bought cookies from Subway. Oops. Oops. But cookies. Spaghettis. Ground beef. This in here, it is just the Slim Jims. Look at the box, y'all. I'm like, what? This better. The Slim Jims. Oh, shit. And this, I just got, this right here, I just had got laminated paper and, something else, I forgot.
Oh, there, y'all. Go in the hallway somewhere, not by me. Okay, it's one. And I have some pictures.
Oh, not right now, I'm recording. Oh, that's what it was. I got the laminated paper and I forgot the butter holder.
That thing is...
It was something else I ordered from Amazon. It must didn't come yet. I'm about to go see. I just got done eating some more tacos. But I'm about to go ahead and make these. I'm about to go ahead and eliminate these papers right here. And I just thought I'll show y'all some behind the scenes of mom life. These are the laminated papers.
Oh, I know that.
I get them on ooh, focus a little bit. I get them on Amazon. I'm gonna link my storefront,
You want me to...
my Amazon storefront down below. So check the description box for that. Yeah, these are 3 ml. The 5 ml was very thick, so I'm gonna see if this will work a little bit better. This page right here, I'm not sure why I have it in. It's Samir name, and this, I don't know why I printed it like that. But basically, if you have kids, this is a good idea to do. Like, you write their name right here with all letters. Then right here, they'll put the S in, and then that's the rest of it. Then here, they'll put the S-O, the rest of it, S-O-M, the rest of it, S-O-M-E, you know, and so forth and so forth. Until down at the bottom, that's when they'll write the whole thing. So it teaches them to write their name step by step in the correct order and letter placement. So this is a good idea for you to do, and you just can type it up. You can even write it on a piece of paper if you want to and do it that way. if you ain't got a printer or don't want to waste your ink. Hey, today is Thursday the 18th. I'm currently at my mom's again. I'm over here. I'm not sure what she want me to help with. Y'all already know she want me to help with something. And then I get here and it's something else. So we about to head up here and see what she want me to help with. And then after that, I think she want to go to the store. So I'm not sure, y'all. We about to see how the day go. I just wanted to check in with y'all. Yesterday, I did not vlog. I did just some light work around the house. I still got to do Samir hair. I did Sanaja hair today. And I'm trying to think what else I need to update y'all on. Yeah, I just made me a caramel cake yesterday. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and...
Don't look smart. And that's not funny. Oh, how about that?
Yeah. I want a house in the hills I pay big bills for. I ain't got in pocket. I want to empty out my wallet. I want to stop motion, stand still. Wallace and Gromit. I want to talk more endlessly. I want to neurotically vomit. I want more dollars from my mama. I want a palace and Prada. I want a Gucci bag.
She says that word though. Or she says the word. Ass.
Sanaja.
It's in the Bible.
Yeah, that don't mean that's a donkey. That's a different one.
Jesus came riding on the ass.
Sanaja.
I can.
No, you can't.
Why?
I can't.
Bag where I can store my sorrows and hardships. I want to go plate my partners. I want endless tomorrows. I want a lot more than I got right now. That's the problem.
Going into homeless now.
She says yes. She says we could go.
Okay.
So can we?
Not now. Don't put nothing in the car. This is so severe. Stop for real. I'm playing. This, you see me? Mm-hmm. This is cute. But guess what? Guess how much this thing is? $50. Move your thing. $50.
A bougie. It's pink and that one just, you know.
Oh, $50. No. Yes, we can walk over to. They gone.
Yeah.
That would be it. He decides to come into what is this? PetSmart.
Balloon Belly. Balloon Belly Mall.
And now my mama trying to get a she's trying to get a fish. Look at this one, y'all. It's grubby.
You don't like it when it's out. When it comes out and comes on you.
It is dinner time. Okay then. We know that. We are currently at TJ Maxx right now. Me and Samir sitting on these display stands. And why my butt try to get up here and sit down? I'm about to tip over the whole thing. Whew, I'm high and tired. I need some water. I'm ready to get to Target. We're about to go to Target next. We're about to go to Target next.
What does she need? Because I don't weigh much.
Turn your head.
Mom, why do you let him?
Because I don't weigh much. I'm little. Yeah. So she don't have any complaints.
So I made it back home and I wanted to show y'all what I got real fast. I got these storage bins. These things was like you get 2 of the big ones. They're organizers. You get 2 of the big ones for $2. So what, $1 a piece? And I'm thinking I'm gonna use them in the vanity, but if I don't use them in the vanity, I'm gonna use them in my bathroom. I got these things to put the broom and the mop on. And And I'm thinking I'm going to put this in the closet downstairs. I also got these ones right here. You get 3 each for $2. They're the drawer organizers as well. And it was raining, pouring down raining when we came out of Target. And they got Apple, y'all. They got Apple of the spray soap. That was new. That's new for me. These kids grab stuff they weren't supposed to grab, of course. Samir got brown rice. And, oh, that's the wild rice. And then, I thought you got some brown rice, too. The brown wild rice. Come put this rice up, Samir. And then I got some more taco shells. These was good when I made the tacos. And then the brown rice. You can walk behind. They cannot see you. A little bit. Your head. They got fruit snacks. These kids was just put, well, Sanaje was with my mom in his car. Sanaje was with my mom in her car, and he was just putting stuff in the car, and this woman just let him put whatever in the cart. And Samir was with me. And I don't know, I got this.
Stuff that we need.
I never had this. It is a burrito bowl chicken chipotle kit. So,
I love these.
what was in this?
Hi guys.
And from Home Goods, I think y'all seen, I'm not taking this out, but from Home Goods, I had got the plastic storage organizations. Y'all see them when I'm gonna organize. I'm believing I'm gonna either do my desk or I'm gonna do the bathroom. I think I'm gonna do the bathroom. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out when we get to. We'll figure that out when we get to doing it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be up in this one, in this video, or the next one. Come hand me this bit. And then I did, I just dropped some. I did go ahead and get this Boss Babe sign from, what this was? Home Goods. Because I looked online and they were about the same price online. And I still need to get my custom one done. But, goddamn things cost too much money. And, I need to go to IKEA because I want to make me like a little cute area. In my, what I guess this would be my dining room. It's messed up. I will show y'all, but I don't even feel like turning this camera around. I don't even care that it's messed up because, I mean, y'all seen it before and it was messed up. Samir?
Yeah.
Come, this you should be here. That stuff too, y'all about to start doing assisting. Assist. Bring me that. Because, yes, I need to show this. And I got me some, these I haven't been able to find anywhere. These Cheeto Hot Puffs. I've been looking for these. Don't break my light.
That looks good.
Yeah. I haven't found these anywhere, so I had to grab these. Ooh, put these up, Sanaja.
That scared me. Where?
Oh, I got some lemonades. That was already in the refrigerator. What lemonade I got? I got
The
strawberry lemonade. It's right. Strawberry lemonade and orange juice. And then, who got regular lemonade? And regular lemonade back there. Yeah, I need to go grocery shopping still. But yeah, that's all I got. It is, what time is it? It is 9:48. So I think I'm about to get ready for bed. I'm about to take all this off. I did want to hop on my Facebook though. So I think I'm about to press live real fast and see how many people come on there. And if I'm about to announce this thing on there. So I'm about to do that. And then I'm going to check in with y'all probably tomorrow if I don't come back on here tonight. And oh yeah, earlier my camera died, so I had to use the cell phone. And I'm back on the camera now. So Right here I got the things that I wanted to organize in my bathroom. But this is the stuff I wanted to put in the bin since it's just thrown in this box right here. Bath stuff right here is salts and bath bombs and the roses and stuff like that. Q-tips and stuff. And then I just threw this stuff in here. Here's the area right here that I wanted to work on. These are the bands we had got yesterday from the store. And we're going to be organizing the things into here. Right now it's just looking like this. It looks a mess. So we are going to get started on this. Okay, so everything is cleaned out. Samir just had to help me. Now I want to scrub this down, and I know it's still going to be stained. So I'm trying to think if I want to put down a, what is it called? You know, if I want to put down the, if I want to cover this. This is how it's looking after I just wiped it down. I didn't really scrub because it's not that serious for me. We're going to start with this drawer first and then see what I want to put up in here. I just got done packing these two. This one is toothbrushes and a toothpaste and floss, dental floss, and you know, things for your mouth. The bottom one is things for the bath. Bath roses, bath roses, bath bombs, crayons for the kids, and bath salts is in there. So that fitted very nicely under here. Very, very nicely. So in this one, this is all I could fit. I put the chloride spray, the chloride bleach, my water bottle to clean my water vinegar bottle to clean my glasses, and the bathroom cleaner and a Fabuloso. And that's what I call it. I do keep pregnancy tests on hand. I'm not sure how old this thing is. It's not that old, but I'm about to check the date on it. Expire into next year. So I'm going to go ahead and place this up in here, and then I'm going to pick up another pack of pregnancy tests. Also, I just like to keep them on hand for any need. I don't know. I just like to have them on hand because I be hating when people be like, oh, I gotta go to the store and get a pregnancy test. Like, no, I want it on hand. And it is not only need, it is not used for just me. Let me just say that. It's for anybody that comes to my house, my friends, family members, anybody that need a test. I just like to have them on hand. So this is the box completely done. I have the pads. I have penny liners. I have organic pads. And I have tampons, and then the pregnancy test in there. And I want to get some of them, I don't know, Midol or whatever people use for periods and cramps and stuff, just so I can have it for my gas, because we'll get into my situation a little bit later down in a different vlog. So make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll talk about that later. So as of right now, this is how it's looking. I do not like these gray baskets down here, so I'm thinking I'm going to end up putting them to my linen closet, and I'm going to buy some more clear bins. But for now, it's fine. This is the final look of everything that I will be doing today. I'm going to come back up in here in a future vlog and change some things up and get it 100% the way I would like for it to be. But I did want to come on here and show you what I completed today. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. I just wanted to pop on here and end out the vlog the correct way. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not sure if you guys seen the clips of me organizing the bathroom and stuff or not. If not, I'll put them in the next vlog if you didn't see them already, because I'm not sure where I ended off that vlog at, because today I actually started another vlog. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.
Trying to get you to wake up.